it. Get over the edge. Just look where you want to go. You got it. Just run it out. Long, tall, strong.
I feel like I was gonna die, and I'm all freaking shaky.
It's a scary thing. But you look good. You all the way up.
Oh man,
There's a lot. This is nice snow here.
that took like everything out of me.
What's that?
Huh? It took like everything out of me. Don't believe I did it. It's got to be like 50 degrees here.
Yeah, it's pretty steep.
Yeah, I'd say 40 to 50.
I got in that soft stuff over there and I just tipped right over.
Yeah, yeah. I knew I was gonna run this out, and that I would not be able to turn. Just I had too much. These skis just give me too much.
Nice, damn right.
Yeah,
Very
he's
good.
an expert in that.
You got it, guy. Nice work, everyone. Oh, sure, you're not going to stop. Okay.
What the frickin'?
You have all the ability in the world. You just need the confidence. Does that build confidence or take it away? Look when you just came down.
Holy crap!
You're vertical, right? As long as you got an edge under your foot.
Well, so
Where's that first
if
entrance
you
we were looking at?
The first one's up a little higher. Kind of above, just kind of above the rock where that sun shadow line, where that big Cornice is hanging.
oh shoot.
What you just did is called Whiplash. It's not on the map. It's a triple black.
Oh.
You want to push yourself to the next level, you got to step out of your comfort zone. I'd never take you guys somewhere I don't think you're capable of handling, right? And even what? You fell, what's the worst that's going to happen?
Get a face full of snow.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
You know, 3 weeks ago when that was a sheet of ice, I wouldn't have taken anyone because they would have lost it and they would have kept sliding. I had a lady lost that up there once, slide all the way down. Wow. And I learned my lesson. All right, we got all these Cornice chunks of debris, but I think the snow on the left looks a little more powdery.
Yeah.